Hello, mathematicians. I saw some great math yesterday on Show What You Know Day. Tomorrow we're going to have another Show What You Know Day, but today we're going to do a little what we call review. Review means to do something that you already learned and just get some extra practice at it before you get the chance to show what you know. So today for math, you're going to need in your workbook our Chapter 1 practice. It's pages 53, 54, 55, 56. Now, there's a lot of problems. It's a lot of math. Here's my favorite part about remote learning. You press pause when you need to, and you take a break. That's okay. Okay, now you can do this one of two ways. Okay, so I'm going to offer you two different ideas, and you choose what's best for you and your family. You can either watch and listen, and Mrs. Torres is going to tell you what to do on each problem and each page. Or you may feel free right now to press stop and just have your grown-up read you the directions. That's okay. If that works better for you than watching me on the screen do it, that's okay too. I'm okay with either way. Here's the deal though. You have to do the work and you have to remember how we count in kindergarten. Promise? So if you want your grown-up to read you the directions, you can press stop. Just make sure you have your little cubes, a crayon or two, a pencil, and your workbook pages. Because you better not just be counting, you better be covering counting. Okay? If you want to do it with Mrs. Torres, stay on. Don't go anywhere. But do get ready to find that pause button. You know what it looks like. Because I'm just going to go right through so your video is not like 8 hours long. Who wants to watch Mrs. Torres for that long? So it's nice and quick, but I may go at times too fast because I'm just telling you what the job is. So after I tell you the job for the problem or two, press pause. Do the job, then press play again, and I'll tell you the next problem too. Does that make sense? So you decide, either Mrs. Torres or your grown-up. All right, so I am going to share my screen. Well, that didn't work out. Hold on there. That's just two Mrs. Torres's. One was sufficient. We don't need any extra ones. Okay, let's try that again. Whew. That was just too much Mrs. Torres all at once, right? What is happening here? Well, there it is. Okay, so now oh, here. Oh, there it is. I was like, what is happening? Why are there just two Mrs. Torreses? We don't need any extra of me. We need to see that math paper. Okay, are you ready? So the first thing you're going to do, I hope, is put your name up here. I'm going to write Nelson's name. No? All right. All right, Mrs. Torres. Okay. 4. Number 1, the apple, and number 2, you're going to cover, count, color. Cover them up, count how many dog houses, color to show how many. Same for the birdhouse. You may press pause on Mrs. Torres and do that job. Okay, down here, you're going to cover, count, and write how many. Remember, press pause as you need to. I'm going to keep going. On both of these problems, number 5 and number 6, you're going to cover, count, color. Cover, count, color. And then guess what? Cover, count, write. You probably didn't even need me to do this, but just in case, right? All right, guess what? Cover, count, color. I bet you can figure this out. Cover, count, write. Okay, we're not done. Cover, count, write. Cover, count, write. Okay, last page. Cover, count, write. Write how many for each one. At the bottom, you're going to write the numbers in order, starting with number 1. So lots of pages, lots of problems. Take a break if you need to, but you can do this. You're going to rock this math. I can't wait to see some fabulous math work. Off you go.